Good morning, grade 11 students. Welcome to Gift Academy, where we chase academic success. So, yeah, guys, today we're doing grade 11 Creditors Reconciliation Statement. Get me? So, yeah, guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe and get me to a 100 subscribers, guys, or more. Please subscribe. To subscribe is free, guys. So, please subscribe. So, without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. So, yeah, question 2. You see, Koi stores purchases goods on credit from beta traders. So Koi stores is us. We purchase goods on credit from beta traders. You get me? So okay guys, 2.1 is here. Simon the bookkeeper believes that preparing a creditors reconciliation statement is unnecessary since creditors already provide monthly statements. How will you respond to him? Provide 2 points. So guys, here you can see because it is an important internal control measure, or you can say a creditors reconciliation statement is used to correct all entries between the ledger and the statement, and then you get the 4 marks. Simple. So let's get into the main part, the creditors reconciliation statement. So 2.2, complete the table to adjust and reflect the balance changes during the creditors reconciliation process. Specify the amounts with a plus for an increase or minus for a decrease. And then the first entry, information B, has already been completed as an example. You see? So guys, yeah, the balances are already completed. You see the balances are already here. They wrote the balances for us. So yeah, let's go to common finger 1. Common finger 1, they say a payment by Koi stores of 9,000 was omitted from the creditors data in the statement. So they are saying that Koi stores, us, we paid 9,000, but it was taken out from the creditors ledger and the statement. So we must minus it both from the creditors ledger and the statement. So we'll minus it here. So guys, the reason we're minusing it is because they're saying that a payment by Koi stores of 9,000 was omitted from the creditors ledger in the statement. It means it was taken out from the creditors ledger and the statement. Okay, one more thing. An invoice bought for goods for 87,500 was reflected on the statement from beta traders, but was not recorded by Koi stores. So they're saying that an invoice for goods bought for 87,500, it was reflected on the statement from beta traders, but it was not recorded by us. We bought goods for 80,000, but we did not record it. So we have to do what? We have to add the 80,000 here because we took the goods, but we forgot to record it. So we must add it. It will be plus 87,500. And then common finger 3. A credit note for 5,250 received from beta traders for goods returned was incorrectly recorded as an invoice by Koi stores. So this one is quite challenging, guys. Because they say that a credit note. Firstly, what we must understand is that a credit note is when the supplier says that here's your money back, we made a mistake. So here they gave us our money back for 5,200, but us, we made a mistake by recording it as an expense. You see, so we must minus double. In other ways, we will do this. We will say 5,250 plus 5,250. Why are we adding both of them? This one is the credit note for our goods, the goods that we returned. This one is the goods that we returned, and this one is for what? This one is for the expenses that we recorded, because we recorded it as an expense. It's not an expense. It's a credit note. It's an income. So we made a mistake by recording it as an expense. So we must add it down, and then when we add these things, you will get 10,500. And then you will say minus 10,500 because credit note, uh, we returned the goods, so it's our money for returning the goods, and it's our money that we recorded as an expense. We made a mistake. It's not an expense; it's an income. Okay, let's go to Roman finger 4. A debit note for 2,100 issued to Molly Shop was incorrectly recorded in the account of data stores and cold stores. Okay, guys, a debit note is when we return goods to our suppliers, maybe because of damaged goods or insufficient funds, anything. But a debit note is when we return goods. You see, there's debit notes, there's credit note. Debit note is when we return goods to the suppliers. And then credit note is when the suppliers say, here's your money back, we made a mistake. You see? So they're saying that a debit note for 2,100 was issued to Molly Shop and was incorrectly recorded. It was issued to Molly Shop, not better traders. Us, we made a debit note. We returned goods to Molly Shop, but we made a mistake by recording it in the statement for what? For better traders. So we must add it plus 2,100 because we minus 2,100 from we minused it from better traders, and we were supposed to minus it from who? Molly Shop, not better traders. So we add it because we minused it by mistake. To be plus 2,100. If guys don't understand anything, don't be shy. Don't be scared to ask. Comment and then I'll explain it. Okay. Roman finger 5. The statement includes an interest charge of 630 on the outstanding account. Better traders admitted to making a mistake and assured that the entry will be corrected in the March 2025 statement. Okay, guys, so here, better traders charged us interest, see, of 680 for our outstanding account for the money that we have to pay them. They charged us interest because we owe them money. So that money they charged interest because it's outstanding. So we say plus 630 plus 630 interest because we owe them. We owe them our outstanding account plus interest, 630 interest. Okay? And then Roman finger 6. Okay, guys, so Roman finger 6, they say that coin stores, coin stores had correctly recorded a discount of 1,400 for early payment of their account. This has not been reflected in the statement received from better traders. So we paid early, guys. So they gave us a discount of how much? 1,400 for paying early. But here, better traders in the statement, they didn't record it that they gave us a discount of how much? 1,400. So we minus our discount from our balance. So we minus 1,400 because it's a discount and we paid early. So we must minus it. We can't add a discount. We only add expenses this side. Incomes we minus. Roman finger 7. An invoice for 28,000 received from better traders was recorded correctly by coin stores. The statement of account reflects it as 20,800. Okay, guys. So here, an invoice that was received from better traders. So better traders gave us an invoice. An invoice is a what? Is a bill, is a receipt saying that okay, you owe us this kind of money. Right? So it was an invoice of how much? 28,000 from better traders. They gave us an invoice for 28,000, a bill for 28,000. Okay, an invoice for 28,000 received from better traders was recorded correctly by gold store. Okay, so the invoice of 28,000, the bill, we recorded it correctly as 28,000. But the statement of account, it reflects it as 20,800. You see, so you will say So you see, but this one is not necessary. You see 28,000 minus 28,000 minus 20,800. And then because this one is the bill that we got from our supplier. But the supplier recorded this one. You see, they made a mistake. So we must minus and find the difference. And then the difference will be, let me see, I think it will be 7,000. So we must add 7,000 because they made a mistake here. You say plus 7,000 because they made a mistake. And then the last one, goods, goods purchased from better stores on 28th February 2025 for 4,600 were recorded by those stores. The statement from better traders is dated 22 February 2025. Okay, guys, so here, this one is quite simple. We bought goods. Okay, so we bought goods from our suppliers, better stores. For how much? For 4,800. For 4,600. We bought goods for 4,600. And it was recorded. We recorded it that okay, we bought goods for 4,800. But our suppliers, the statement is dated 22 February 2025. It means that they did not record it. You see, so we must add it plus 4,600. You see? And then when it's like this, we just add everything, guys. We say this one subtract this one plus this one subtract this one plus this one plus this one. And then you will get 1,829,100. So guys, once you get the final answer this side, you must also write the same answer this side. 1,829,100. So here what I noticed is that when you take this one and minus this one and add this one and minus this one and add this one, you won't get the same answer. You won't get this, but it's correct like this. But it's correct like this. Social kind of mistake is still here. Yeah. So guys, what I was saying is that you take this one, you subtract, you add, you subtract, you add, and then you get this one. So the answer that you get this side, you must also write it this side. You see. But on this creditors reconciliation, I noticed that when you take this one and minus this one and add this one and minus this one and add this one, you won't get the same answer. But you must write this one because you will get a mark for this. You see. If you think maybe I'm wrong or something, you can just Google or look for the memorandum and then you'll see it's like this. This is the correct answer. The answers don't always have to be the same, but you must make them the same. When you get the correct answer this side, make sure you write it this side also. You see? So guys, that's the end of the video. If you watched until this end, thank you so much for watching until the end. I promise to drop more videos if you guys subscribe. And if you don't understand anything, please comment down below. If maybe you think I'm talking too fast, please comment down below. I'll try to talk 50% slow, 50% more slower. You see, because I think maybe I'm fast. So yeah, guys, if there's anything you don't understand, just tell me that many this and this and this, we don't get it, and then I'll explain again. You see. But yeah, nonetheless, thank you so much for watching until the end. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for watching until the end. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribing is free. You don't lose anything for subscribing. Please subscribe so that I can keep on dropping more videos. You see, because guys, I can't drop videos without any subscribers. So please subscribe so that I can be able to drop more videos. And so that you guys can pass and be like me, guys. Because me, like, now, I'm in matric, guys, again. I'm in matric. So, subscribe and then you'll also be like me. You'll come to matric and be like me, guys, again. So, please subscribe and watch. Subscribe, like, comment, and you will also be in matric like me. So, thank you so much and thank you for watching until the end. Love you so much. Thank you.